don't buy Jordan 5 lows. Have you ever heard that? I hear that all the time. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna figure it out. What do we have here? These are fire red Jordan 5 lows. I'm gonna compare them to a pair of Jordan 5s I already have. And listen, we're gonna make a decision. Are Jordan 5 lows trash or are they fire? These fire red Jordan 5 lows, I'm feeling them. This is my first look at them. Dead stock, you already know I just cashed out on a $5,000 collection. Color blocking is dope on this. White, black, all black meshing. You generally see mesh in a two-tone, but this is all black. I like that. Black on the midsole, red, and we got the translucent, a little bit of white on the midsole, translucent on the bottom, red Jordan branding with the Jumpman. White laces on this. Obviously, we could do with an extra pair of laces for lace flips. We have the lace lock here that's translucent and also a little bit of red. I like how they did that. Black tongue, black netting on the inside. You got red on the inside. You got the black insole with the red Jumpman. In the back, you got the Jumpman logo there. These are tight, but they're just a pair of sneakers. Let's pull up a white metallic Jordan 5s. Now, I copped these in 2015. It's now 2022. You can't front. They still do look dead stock, but as you can see on the bottom, they have been used. So what are we talking about with differences here? I mean, if we look, at the basics, right? On the midsoles are identical. You didn't have to switch anything up to get the lows going. The netting looks pretty close. Can't front, that stays the same. Obviously on these white metallics, they have the 2-3 on there. I don't believe that that's a standard feature on Jordan 5s. I'm pretty sure that this was relegated to this pair. The lacing is looking identical. The netting is a little bit different. This white metallic looks massive compared to the fire red. Now, I think that may be because of the way it's laced. I'm super loose here, and these for some reason come dead stock. They're dumb tight. So that may be why, but these look freaking massive compared to the lows. This low pair is not going to have the features at the top, right? This has always been the weirdest thing about Jordan 5s for me, is kind of like this little butt bump here. And I guess this is like ankle protection. I don't know. This little bump here. So you don't have that on the lows, which I don't think is that big of a deal. Obviously, you come in, you don't have the extension here for the laces, so your laces stop a little bit shorter. The tongues are different. My 5s are a little bit taller on the tongue. I'm trying to look difference on the bottoms. The bottoms look identical. Look on the other side of these things. Air bubbles are looking the same. The main difference being up here. You don't have the extra little bit at the top. That's a style thing. I know there's a lot of you out there that hate Jordan 1 mids for some reason, and they're like a quarter of an inch shorter than the Jordan 1 highs. Makes no sense. I mean, I'm looking at these 5s. I think these are good. And the lacing, kind of this little piece up at the top. The tongue seems to be a little bit bigger, but these Jordan 5 lows are dope. I hear so many people fronting on Jordan 5 lows. I just don't get it. Do you hate Jordan 5 lows? Let me know in the comments. Are they fire? Are they trash? It's your man, Little Peso.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Not a Sneakerhead. You can subscribe here, or you can watch a video that I've selected just for you. Make sure you keep your sneakers clean and have a great day.